Klarna is one of the biggest names in buy now, pay later. But how does it actually work? Here's a quick breakdown of how Klarna lets you split payments, what it costs, and whether it's worth using. Klarna is a payment service that lets you shop now and pay later in flexible installments. You can use it online or in store, either at checkout or through the Klarna app. It's available with thousands of retailers, and it's designed to give you more time to pay interest-free in many cases. There are a few ways to use Klarna. Pay in 4. Split your purchases into 4 bi-weekly payments with no interest or fees, as long as you pay on time. Pay in 30 days. Get your item now and pay the full amount later, like a short-term invoice. Financing. Longer-term monthly pays for 6 to 24 months. These may include interest based on credit check. You can also shop through the Klarna app or select Klarna directly at checkout when supported. Most short-term options are interest-free, but longer plans may have up to 33% APR, depending on your credit. Klarna uses soft credit checks that don't affect your score unless you apply for financing. It doesn't charge late fees in all regions, but missed payments can still lead to restrictions and may show up on your credit report in the future. The pros: no interest for most short-term plans, fast approvals and easy setup, and it works with a wide range of stores. Cons: can lead to impulse buying. Long-term plans may charge interest, and missed payments can impact your credit in some cases. On Reddit and review platforms, users like the convenience and flexibility, but many warn against using it too often or for things you can't afford. Klarna can be a smart way to manage cash flow, but only if you treat it like a short-term tool, not a long-term loan. Used responsibly, it's helpful. Used carelessly, it's debt in disguise. Thanks for watching.